Hello everyone, welcome back to Magadian Gain. So this is our practice question number 1 of the chapter areas related to circles. So the question here is, find the area of a shaded region where PQRS is a square of side 28 centimeters. So we are given a square PQRS and we need to find the area of the shaded region. So all these 4 circles are equal and we are given that one of the side is 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter is the side of the square. Now what we can see is, from this point, which is the center of the circle, to the point on this circle, this is the radius of first circle, and from here to here, this is the radius of the second circle. So these two would be equal. The radius of the two circles would be equal. Radius would be equal. Radius 1 of this circle would be equal to radius of that circle. Why would it be equal? Because both of these circles are equal. And hence we can say that 28 centimeter is divided into 2 equal parts, meaning the side of this radius plus this radius is equal to 28 centimeters. Let the radius be x, so x plus x is equal to 28. So we get 2x is equal to 28. Hence x is equal to 40. So the radius of the circle is 14 centimeters. Radius is 14 centimeters. Now our next step is finding the area of the square. What is the area of square? It's the square of the side. So side square is equal to area of square, area of PQRS, which is equal to 28 into 28. What is 28 into 28? $784. So we get area of PQRS as 784 centimeter square. So we have the area of the square, which is 784 centimeter square. Now we need to find the area of these 4 quadrants of a circle. Notice these are the quadrants of a circle, and we know that quadrants of a circle have the angle 90 degrees. How do we know that these are the quadrants of circles? Not because these are quadrants and that is why these are 90 degrees. So ये हमारे पास square था, this is a square that we have, and we know that square has an angle of 90 degrees and it is at the center of the circle. So this would subtend 90 degrees at the center. So let's just take a look. Let's just take this circle. In this circle, this is the center and we have something like this. Correct? And this is 90 degrees. Since it is 90 degrees, these 4 would also be 90 degrees. So these 4 are also 90 degrees. Hence we will get one quadrant. So this is a quadrant. And what is the formula of the area of one of the quadrants? It would be area of, let's just write quadrant 1. Quadrant 1. So what is the area? It would be 90 upon 360. 90 upon 360 multiplied by 90 degree upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. So this would become 1 by 4 multiplied by 22 by 7. What is r? R is 14. So it would be 14 into 14. This is 2, 7. We get 77 into 2, which is 77 into 2. It would be 154. So we have 154 centimeters square of one of the quadrants. Now we need to calculate all the 4 quadrants. So it would be area of all 4 quadrants. This would be equal to 4 into 154, which is equal to 616 centimeters square. So you get area of the square. Area of square is equal to 784 centimeters square, and area of these 4 quadrants. We have area of square, which is 784, and area of these 4 quadrants as 616 centimeters square. Now our next step is subtracting the area of these 4 quadrants from the area of square. So we will get area of shaded region as 784 minus 616 centimeter square. This would become 8 168 centimeter square. So what we did is that we were given a square, we were given four circles, and in the four circles we connected the centers of the circle such that we formed a square, and we need to find the area of the shaded region. So we know that these form quadrants, so we calculated the area of one of these and multiplied it by 4 to get the area of all four. We got the area of the square and subtracted the area of these four quadrants from the area of square, and we got 168 centimeter square, which is the area of the shaded region.